Your lucky number.
10.
Your favorite book.
Wonder by R.G. Palacio.
Your biggest dream.
Education without boundaries. And it's already solved.
Are you kidding me?
See yourself. Shape Robotics created a mobile STEAM lab, a mobile marvel that transformed classrooms into dynamic hubs of learning. Equipped with an interactive screen, audio-video solution, virtual reality headset, laptops, voice amplifier, and multifunctional robots, the mobile STEAM lab can be easily moved to any school and any classroom.
Even in the school in the dark forest of Slobozia?
Even there. So, this is our cart. Silent, elegant, flexible, efficient, safe, inclusive, smart.
All right, let's see what this beast can do.
First of all, it takes care of security. Key or smart lock systems allow authorized personnel, such as educators or IT administrators, to manage device access, ensuring accountability and responsible device usage. Securing the charging station prevents tampering, accidental damage or theft of expensive and essential education technology, ensuring the longevity of the devices.
Cool.
Do you see this keyboard? It controls the lift's electrical system. I press here and interactive display goes up, so that even Michael Jordan is comfortable riding on the board. And another click and the display goes down.
Awesome. Electrical height adjustment. Now, I get to paint too.
What's more, you can do serious research, VR experiments, and you can program robots.
Oh man, there are no bounds.
Exactly. And with Lenovo MTR, remote lessons and collaborative learnings are easier than ever. Lenovo's first AI-based camera tracks conversation, follow the speaker. Think SmartBar with its 4 built-in microphones makes sure everyone is heard loud and clear during calls.
Does it works even in classrooms or huge hallways?
For huge spaces, we get the MTR working in tandem with the Catchbox solution.